Alright, what's up, Hooters? I'm going to go over our rewards tool because I'm just about to send out the rewards for this month. So as you can see here, it's going to input a previous snapshot and the current snapshot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the current one. And if you don't know where to get the snapshot, you can just go over here to distribution, put the snapshot, select your token, and get the holders from there. Anyways, going to input the amount to send out. So it's going to be 1,000,000, which is about $100 right now, soon to be 1,000. So we can select all the holders to parse through, or we can select a top. So I'm going to go ahead and say top 100. Bonus threshold, let's just say 10,000. Max multiplier is going to be how much after this bonus threshold will we adjust their reward amount. And that's going to be either position based or proportional based. So if it's position based, it's just going to go a linear. It's going to be a linear gradient from top to bottom. Each one's going to get an even max multiplier, and then it's proportional is going to be on the amount changed from the previous one. So let's say like the top person bought a ton, that means they're going to get like pretty much the max multiplier, and it's going to do like a logarithmic curve on the way back down. So let's go ahead and calculate the rewards. Let's do proportional. So as you can see, we get the top 100. 5 of them decrease, so we're just going to be taking into account the 95 that increased. As you can see, they're not those decreased ones aren't showing up because we didn't select that they were allowed to. So this is the reward amount that each one is going to be getting. This goes all the way down. So this is the base amount here. As you can see, they only increase by about 900. So if you increase a lot, you'll get a lot of rewards. So let's go ahead and export the CSV. And then let's go over here to our airdrop tool. So what you can do here is select the token you want to airdrop. You can input the amount of tokens you want to airdrop to these token holders. And then you get the number of token holders, and you click holders, and it'll populate here. And then you'll just say like, oh, 100, and then so that's 1,000 addresses. So 1,000 times 100 is 100,000. But we're actually going to be importing our CSV we just made. So let's go ahead and refresh, cancel all that out. Go ahead and import. Let's select the snapshot rewards. So as we can see down here, it's going to select 95 addresses and then put the total number of tokens to about 1,000,000. So let's go ahead and start the airdrop. So what it's going to do, it's going to do pretty big batches. Looks like 15. So we're just waiting for that to go through. Just keep on confirming until all these batches run through. And I'll have to update the UI so it doesn't like get squashed like this. So hopefully we don't run into an error at the end with that floating point, but it should be okay. And just like that, we are on the last batch. And that's it. That's how you airdrop every one of your holders and just reward them. So I was at 9 mil, we're now at 8 mil. We got app interactions here. We can view it on SoulScan to see what was going on. So we sent it out to these 5 people here. This is the base amount. So if we were to go all the way down to like around here, you can see that, let's see, let's go here. Play this one. Yeah, as you can see, this was like the top holder. They got 20,000. So that was two times the base amount. So everything's working good. Hope you guys like this tool. Yeah, follow us on Twitter. And yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks.